Yeah, mantika. Get the mantika. We almost done shopping here in Siput City. Siput City here was built during 2018. Not that old, but this is good advantages for the people who lives here in southern area of Las Vegas. Let's go. Right on this one. What about patis? Olive oil, me. Kuha mo olive oil. Yun. $7.99. Get that.
Ito ang gusto kong dalhin eh. Pero ayaw nila magpalagan.
Oo, too much. I don't know. Hindi na mauulit to. This will be the magpasarap na sila ngayon. Dito na ulitin niya na